হ্যালো স্টুডেন্টস, আজকে আমরা ক্লাস 6-এর সায়েন্সের চ্যাপ্টার 9 দ্য বডি অ্যান্ড ইটস মুভমেন্টের এক্সারসাইজ করব। নাম্বার এ, চুজ দ্য মোস্ট অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট অ্যান্সার। ইন হুইচ অফ দিস অর্গান সিস্টেমস ডু দ্য মেলস অ্যান্ড ফিমেলস হ্যাভ ডিফারেন্ট অর্গানস? Reproductive system. Which of these has the least number of movable joints? Skull. The hinge joints allow movement in one plane only. Number 4, the bones at the joints are held together by ligaments. Number 5, which of these acts as a shock absorber at the joints? Cartilage. Number 6, a group of cells specialized to perform a specific task is known as an tissue. A tissue. Number 7, muscles in animals contract and expand for all of this, digestions of food, movement of body parts and breathing. Number 8, which of these is or are not organ system? Answer, heart. Number 9, joints are places where two bones meet. Number 10, where is a hinge joint located in your body between the upper and lower arms? Number B, very short answer questions, give one word answer. Number 1, all living organisms are made up of a number of cells. True or false? False. Number 2, the main function of the circulatory system is to transport nutrients, oxygen and waste. Number 3, the teeth are a part of the digestive system. Number 4, a child has more bones than an adult. True or false? True. Number 5, which part of the skeletal system is the brain protected by? Skull. Number 6, how many movable bones does the skull have? 1. Number 7, name two organs protected by the rib cage, heart and lungs. Number 8, name the longest bone in the human body. Answer, femur. Number 9, the joints between the ribs and the breastbone allow slight movement. True or false? True. Number 10, name the group of muscles you use to lower your arm. Triceps. Number 11, muscles move the bones by pulling and pushing them. True or false? False. Number 12, worms do not have bones. True or false? True. Number 13, what kind of skeleton does a cockroach have? Exoskeleton. Number 14, which fins of the fish helps it to move? Tail. Number 15, what is the shape that fish, birds, aeroplanes and ship have that reduces air or water resistance? Streamlined body shape. Number 16, what is the name given to animal with backbone? Vertebrate. Number C, short question answer. Number 1, what is a tissue? Give two examples. A group of cells that perform a special job together is known as a tissue. Example, blood, bone. Number 2, name the main organs in the digestive system. What is the main function of this system? The main organs of the digestive system are teeth, food pipes, stomach, small and large intestine. The digestive system of the body helps to digest and absorb the nutrients from the food that are necessary for the growth and maintenance of the body. Number 3, what is bone marrow? What is its function? The soft, spongy material found within bones such as the femur is known as the bone marrow. Its main function is to produce new blood cells to replace one that are damaged and worn out. Number 4, what are the function of spine? The spine is the supporting structure for the entire skeleton and it also protects the spinal cord. Number 5, what are at least two muscles needed to move a bone at a joint in one direction? Muscles can contract and pull all the bones, but they cannot push. At least two muscles are needed. When one contracts, the other extends and vice versa to allow movement at a joint. Number 6, name the three types of skeleton that living organisms have. Give one example of each. Endoskeleton, example human skeleton. Exoskeleton, example snail. Liquid skeleton, example earthworm. Number 7, list two adaptations in birds that help them fly. Birds have very strong muscles to help them fly. Further, they have hollow bones that reduces weights and makes fly easier. Number D, long question answer. Number 1, what is an organ system? Name 3 organ systems in the human body and their main functions. The group of organs working together to carry out life functions in an organ system. Following are the organ system in the human body. Circulatory system. Its main function is to transport nutrients, oxygen and waste to all parts of the body. Nervous system. Its main function is to control all the functions of the body. Respiratory system. Its main function is to take oxygen inside the body and to exhale carbon dioxide from the body. How do the following move? Earthworm, snake, fish. An earthworm moves by expanding and contracting its body muscles. A snake moves by carving its body into many loops, each loop pushing against the ground. A fish moves by moving its tail fin in a zigzag. Number 3, explain the structure of the ball and socket joint. Give 2 examples of each joint in our body. A ball and socket joint allow movement in all directions. In such joints, the end of one of the bones is round like a ball. It fits into a hollow part in the other bone. The bone that ends in a ball can move in any direction. Example, shoulder and hip joints. Number 4, list the main function of the human skeleton. The skeleton has following main functions. Support. Our skeleton provides a hard framework to support the organs of the body. Protection. The bones protect the soft organs in our body. Movement. They help in the movement of the body, making blood cells. The inside of bones contains soft substance called bone marrow, where the blood cells are made. Number 5, what is a joint? How can you classify joints on the basis of the movements they allow? A joint in the body is a place where 2 bones are joined together. A joint is strong enough to withstand jerks. The bones are held together at the joints by strong elastic bands called ligaments. The joints can be classified into following 3 types depending on the type movement they allow. Immovable, slightly movable, freely movable. What is the difference between endoskeleton and exoskeleton? Endoskeleton. The skeleton is present inside the body. The skeleton is present outside the body. The skeleton is made up of bones. The skeleton is not made up of bones. Example, human being, birds and reptiles. Example, snails, crabs, cockroach. তো আজকে আমরা দ্য বডি অ্যান্ড ইটস মুভমেন্ট চ্যাপ্টার 9 সায়েন্সের ক্লাস 6-এর কমপ্লিট করলাম। তো ভিডিওটা লাইক করতে ভুলো না, যদি ভালো লাগে বন্ধুদের সাথে শেয়ার করো। যদি কোনো ভিডিও মিস হয়ে গিয়ে থাকে ডিসক্রিপশন বক্সে সাবজেক্ট ওয়াইজ প্লেলিস্ট করা আছে, চেক আউট করে নিন। তো আজকে এইটুকুই। সবাই সুস্থ থেকো, ভালো থেকো, মন দিয়ে পড়াশোনা করো। বাই, টেক কেয়ার।